Hello, detailer. Are you ready to take your car detailing game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, avoiding these not-so-obvious mistakes can make a world of difference in your results. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 10 detailing blunders you never knew you were making.
Welcome to Hold My Beer Detailing.
Mistake number 1. Using tap water for diluting your detailing products. The minerals in tap water can leave spots and diminish the effectiveness of your products. Instead, use distilled water to ensure a flawless finish every time. Many detailers don't realize that the quality of water used in the detailing process can significantly impact the outcome. Tap water often contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, which can cause water spots and streaks when they dry on the surface of your car. These spots are not only unsightly but can also be difficult to remove without proper treatment. When you dilute detailing products with tap water, these minerals can react with the chemicals, reducing their effectiveness. For example, water-based cleaners and detailing sprays can become less potent, making them less effective at breaking down dirt and grime. Over time, this can mean more effort for less impressive results. To avoid this, always use distilled water for diluting your detailing products. Distilled water is free from minerals and impurities, ensuring that your products perform at their best. It's a small change that can make a big difference in the quality of your detailing work. Next up, overlooking paint decontamination. Skipping this step means you're leaving behind contaminants that can interfere with polishing and waxing. Use a clay bar, iron, and tar remover to prep the surface properly. Even if a car looks clean after a wash, the paint can still be contaminated with microscopic particles that are not visible to the naked eye. These contaminants, which include industrial fallout, brake dust, and tree sap, can embed themselves into the paint, making the surface rough and hindering the effectiveness of subsequent detailing steps. By using a clay bar, you can remove these embedded contaminants, leaving the paint surface smooth and ready for polishing or waxing. The clay bar works by shearing off these particles from the surface, which are then trapped in the clay. This process is gentle yet effective, ensuring that the paint is thoroughly clean without causing damage. Tar and iron removers are another excellent option for paint decontamination. These products chemically react with iron or tar particles, dissolving them and allowing for easy rinsing. This is particularly useful for removing stubborn tar dots, brake dust, or other metallic contaminants. Skipping this crucial step can lead to poor results when polishing or waxing. Contaminants left on the surface can cause swirl marks and scratches, and can also prevent wax or sealant from bonding properly to the paint. Taking the time to decontaminate the paint will ensure a smooth, glossy finish and long-lasting protection. Mistake number 3. Neglecting car rain drainages. These areas can get clogged with debris, leading to water damage and rust. Regularly clean and inspect your car's rain drainages to keep them clear. Rain drainages, also known as drain channels or scuppers, are designed to direct water away from critical areas of the car's body and interior. These channels are located around the roof, sunroof, trunk, and doors. Over time, leaves, dirt, and other debris can accumulate in these channels, blocking the flow of water and causing it to pool in unwanted areas. Blocked rain drainages can lead to several issues, including water leaks into the car's interior, which can cause mold and mildew. Additionally, stagnant water in these channels can accelerate rust formation on metal surfaces and destroy electronic components. Regularly inspecting and cleaning these areas can prevent such problems. To clean the rain drainages, use a soft brush to loosen debris and a vacuum to remove it. For harder-to-reach areas, compressed air can help blow out any remaining dirt. As well, you can use sunroof pipe cleaning brush to make sure the drainage is clean and does not block water on its way out. Make sure to check these channels regularly, especially during the fall when leaves are more likely to clog them. Keeping your rain drainages clear is a simple yet effective way to protect your car from water damage and maintain its overall integrity. Don't overlook this small but important part of your detailing routine. Ever thought about the area around your gas cap? Dirt and grime can accumulate here, causing paint damage over time. A quick clean every wash can prevent this from happening. The gas cap area is often overlooked during regular car washes. This small, recessed area can easily trap dirt, grime, and fuel residue. If left uncleaned, this buildup can become caked on and difficult to remove, potentially causing damage to the paint and seal around the gas cap. Fuel residue, in particular, can be harmful to your car's paint. It can degrade the paint's protective coat, leading to discoloration and corrosion. Additionally, dirt and grime can interfere with the gas cap seal, potentially causing fuel evaporation and reducing the efficiency of your vehicle. To clean the gas cap area, use a soft microfiber cloth and an all-purpose cleaner. Gently wipe away any dirt and residue. paying special attention to the edges and the seal. For stubborn buildup, a detailing brush can help dislodge debris without scratching the paint. Regularly cleaning this area will keep it looking fresh and protect your paint from potential damage. It's a quick and easy step that can make a big difference in the overall appearance and longevity of your vehicle. More isn't always better. Using too much product can lead to streaking and buildup. A little goes a long way, whether it's wax, sealant, or tire dressing. One of the most common mistakes in car detailing is the over-application of products. Whether it's wax, sealant, or tire dressing, using too much can lead to a range of issues. Excess product can also attract dust and dirt, reducing the longevity of your detailing efforts. To avoid this, always start with a small amount of product and apply it in thin, even layers. This ensures better coverage and easier buffing. For wax and sealant, a thin coat is often more effective and allows for better bonding with the paint. Similarly, when applying tire dressing, using too much can lead to sling-off, where the product splatters onto the car's paint and wheels when the vehicle is in motion. This not only creates a mess, but also wastes product. Apply a small amount of dressing to an applicator pad and spread it evenly over the tire's surface for a clean, finished look. Remember, with detailing products, less is often more. By using the right amount, you'll achieve a better finish, save money, and reduce the risk of product buildup and streaking. Your microfiber towels are only as good as how you care for them. Improper washing can make them less effective. Wash them separately in cold water without fabric softeners to keep them in top shape. Microfiber towels are a cornerstone of car detailing, known for their ability to trap dirt and moisture without scratching surfaces. However, improper cleaning can render these towels ineffective. Residual dirt, grime, and cleaning products can build up in the fibers, reducing their absorbency and softness. First, always pre-treat heavily soiled towels to remove excess dirt and grime. Rinse them under warm water to loosen debris before washing. Next, wash microfiber towels separately from other laundry to prevent lint transfer. As well, wash towels for buffing waxes separate from regular cleaning towels to avoid transfer waxes on cleaning towels. Use a gentle detergent that is free of bleach and fabric softeners. Fabric softeners can coat the fibers, reducing their absorbency and effectiveness. Drying is equally important. Avoid high heat as it can melt the fibers, diminishing their quality. Instead, tumble dry on low heat or air dry. Properly cared for, your microfiber towels will last longer and perform better. Taking the time to properly clean and maintain your microfiber towels will ensure they remain a valuable tool in your detailing arsenal, providing the best results for your car. Don't forget the trim and rubber seals. They need love too. Regular treatment prevents fading and cracking, keeping your car looking fresh. Exterior trim and rubber seals are often overlooked in car detailing, but they play a crucial role in maintaining the vehicle's aesthetics and functionality. UV rays, harsh weather, and environmental contaminants can cause these parts to fade, crack, and deteriorate over time. Faded trim and cracked rubber seals not only look unsightly but can also compromise the car's weatherproofing, leading to potential water leaks and increased wind noise. To prevent this, use a trim restorer or protectant specifically designed for plastic and rubber surfaces. These products contain UV inhibitors and conditioners that help restore color and flexibility. Apply the product evenly using a foam applicator or microfiber cloth, ensuring full coverage. For rubber seals, a rubber conditioner can rejuvenate and protect them. These conditioners penetrate the rubber, replenishing lost oils and providing a protective barrier against the elements. You can also use silicone lubricant to protect rubber seals. Regular application will keep the seals pliable and prevent cracking. By including trim and rubber seal treatment in your detailing routine, you'll enhance your car's appearance and extend the life of these critical components, ensuring they continue to perform their protective functions. Polishing isn't a one-size-fits-all job. Different paints and damages require different pads. Choose the right pad for the task to achieve the best results. Polishing is a critical step in car detailing, essential for removing imperfections and restoring shine. However, many detailers make the mistake of using the same polishing pad for all tasks, not realizing that different pads are designed for specific purposes and paint types. Polishing pads come in various materials, densities, and designs, each suited for different levels of correction. Foam pads are commonly used for light to moderate polishing, while microfiber and wool pads are more aggressive, ideal for heavy correction and cutting through severe oxidation. When choosing a pad, consider the condition of the paint and the level of correction needed. For light swirl marks and minor scratches, a soft foam pad paired with a finishing polish can achieve a flawless finish. For deeper scratches and more significant paint defects, a microfiber or wool pad with a cutting compound will be more effective. Using the right pad ensures that the polishing compound works effectively, minimizing the risk of damaging the paint and achieving a professional level finish. Always test a small area first to determine the best pad and product combination for the job. By selecting the appropriate polishing pad for each task, you'll achieve better results and maintain the integrity of your car's paint, ensuring it looks its best. Interior electronics often get overlooked. Touchscreens, buttons, and displays need proper cleaning to avoid damage. Use electronics-safe products to keep them pristine. Modern cars are equipped with a variety of electronic components including touchscreens, infotainment systems, and digital displays. These surfaces can quickly accumulate dust, fingerprints, and smudges, detracting from the interior's overall appearance and functionality. Ignoring these electronics during your detailing routine can lead to long-term damage. Dust and grime can work their way into crevices, affecting the performance of buttons and screens. Additionally, using the wrong cleaning products can cause scratches and reduce touchscreen sensitivity, or damaging on-screen protective coatings. To clean interior electronics, use a soft microfiber cloth to gently remove dust and smudges. For tougher grime, an electronic-safe cleaner or a solution specifically designed for screens can help without causing damage. Spray the cleaner onto the cloth, not directly onto the device, to avoid liquid seeping into the electronics. For buttons and knobs, use a detailing brush to dislodge dust and dirt from tight spaces. This ensures that all components remain clean and functional. Regularly cleaning your car's interior electronics will keep them looking new and functioning properly, enhancing both the appearance and the usability of your vehicle's interior. Lastly, don't forget the tire sidewalls. Clean and dressed for a complete professional look. While most detailers focus on cleaning wheels, the sidewalls are often neglected. However, clean and well-maintained tire sidewalls contribute significantly to the overall appearance of your vehicle. Dirt, grime, and road debris can quickly accumulate on the sidewalls, detracting from the look of freshly cleaned wheels. Dirty sidewalls can make your entire detailing job look incomplete. Over time, the buildup of grime can also cause the rubber to dry out and crack, compromising the integrity of the tires. To clean the sidewalls, use a dedicated tire cleaner and a stiff brush. Scrub the sidewalls thoroughly to remove all dirt and grime. Rinse the tires with water to ensure no cleaner residue remains. After cleaning, apply a tire dressing to the sidewalls. Tire dressings not only enhance the appearance of the tires by giving them a deep, rich shine, but also help protect the rubber from UV damage and cracking. Apply the dressing with an applicator pad and ensure even coverage for a consistent look. Properly cleaned and dressed tire sidewalls complete the look of your detailed car, giving it that professional showroom quality finish. Don't overlook this final step in your detailing process. And there you have it, our top 10 not-so-obvious car detailing mistakes to avoid. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you'll achieve a stunning, professional finish every time. Did we miss any? Drop your tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailing tips and advice. Bonus tip: adjust your detailing routine to the seasons. Different weather conditions call for different products and techniques. Stay adaptable and keep your car looking great year-round. Thanks for watching. Keep those cars shining, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely detailing, folks.